me show you a ring. Don't need to play no game. So what you say? I quit being overthinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to say anything. When you call up, I get thought up like I'm been away. I get nervous on the surface, ain't a James Dean type. We're just cooped up in a cruiser on a Friday.
Hi everyone! So sorry ngayon na lang ulit nakapag-talk dito sa vlog na to, but sobrang stressful kasi pagland namin dito sa Vietnam. We're actually here in Da Nang and it's my first time here in Da Nang. So anyway, story time. Sobrang stressful sa immigration, girl. Like, sobrang haba ng pila and hindi pa maayos or like organize yung pila. We landed around 1 p.m. Parang ganon or quarter to 1. And then natapos kami doon around 3 or 3:30 na. Imagine, like parang 2 or more than 2 hours kami doon. Gulat kami pagdating namin, like sobrang haba na ng pila, ang daming tao. And then marami naman ata yung like parang counter doon na mga may immigration officer, ganon. Pero, I don't know, pero sobrang gulo talaga ng pila. Like, sa pinilahan namin, isang counter lang. Pero, iisa lang din yung officer. Unlike sa Philippines, diba? Parang isang counter, dalawang officer. Pero doon, isa lang. And then, yung napilahan kasi namin is isang officer, isang counter, and then tatlo kaming, 3 lanes doon. So, imagine. So, anyway, ayun lang. So, sobrang stressful nung experience ko na yon. So, ngayon, we're currently here sa hotel. So, we're staying at Royal Lotus Hotel Da Nang. And 8 to 10 minutes away lang yung airport to dito sa Royal Lotus Hotel. Lalagay na lang ako dito ng room tour. So, ngayon, wala kami namang masyadong agenda. Like, it's almost 5 na rin naman kasi. So, baka it's either early dinner or magtitingin lang kami ng few shops na malapit dito. And then, later at 9 p.m., meron kasing parang show sa Dragon Bridge at 9 p.m. So, yun lang siguro yung pupuntahan namin. And, yeah, tomorrow na ulit yung talagang full day na aalis kami. So, yeah, see you guys later. So today is August 3 and it's our second day here in Da Nang. But for today's agenda, pupunta lang kami sa Hoi An. And our first agenda is pupunta kami sa Coconut Basket Ride. And pupunta kami sa Hoi An Ancient Town. And then magla-lunch sa Comlin or Morning Glory. Yun yung nakita ko kasi sa TikTok app na must visit daw ng mga restaurants doon. And then, Maybe we will stroll around the Taylor Street, like yung pwede ka magpa-custom ng dress, clothes, ganyan. Even bags and shoes. And then, ayun, titingnan din namin yung Japanese bridge. It's a famous bridge daw doon sa Hoi An. So, ayun, siguro magpipicture lang kami doon. And then, at night, we will ride a lantern boat ride. So, maganda daw talaga siya sa gabi. Kasi, syempre, para makita mo yung mga lanterns. Kasi, surprisingly, since late dito ng 1 hour, yung 5:30 nila, sobrang araw pa. So, baka around 6:30 or 7 p.m. na kami mag-book nung lantern boat ride. So, anyway, I'll just do my get ready with me and I'll upload it na lang sa TikTok. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Ang ganda ng mangkok. Ang laki pala na ito, guys. So, nandito pala kami sa parang second na paakyat. And dito pa lang, parang may eerie feeling na agad. And ang creepy. But, ayun. So, saglit na kami dito. But, we're trying to reach yung sa pinakataas talaga. So, make sure, guys, na kung pupunta kayo dito, huwag kayong mag-open shoes. Kasi, as in, puro hagdan talaga, guys. Though may elevator, pero may extra charge kasi and hindi nyo ma-appreciate if hindi kayo aakyat talaga. Ha? Bakit? Ito ba? Oh my God, guys. My God, look at that, guys. Sakit. Imagine, yan yung inakit namin. Simula dun pa sa baba. Ano na tayo ata to eh. Cave.
Madam, batı. I love Billy.
Sun World Cana Hills. And pupunta muna kami sa CR. And then we'll claim our ticket.
Whisper something I could hear. Away for the weekend, shooting a deer. We sit in silence with your rifle by my ear. I'd eat venison forever just to keep you here. But you push
Welcome to Cana Hills!
I keep you down. You touch my mouth and lie like you mean it, and I'm halfway home. So in the middle, ain't no calling my phone. Speak like a riddle and break me to pieces and skip town. God, I love when you let me down so bad. I shouldn't take it if they heard you laugh. That would explain it, and I'm so sick of loving you blindly.
So we're going to French Beach to buy what? Ayun nga. Andyan din yung Alpine Coaster. Hindi na magkakasama. Dalawa isa pwede.
Secrets, I do it well. It's exhausting and embarrassing as hell. Don't have to tell the world the truth, but goddamn it, tell it to yourself. But you push me out, I keep you down. You scream, I shout, but I'm not gonna leave it 'cause I'm halfway home. So in the middle, ain't no call my phone. Speak like a riddle and break me to pieces and skip town. God, I love when you let me down.
Kahit itong series na hinahanap, ay
Shouldn't take it if they heard you
hinahanap ko yung ibang series yung bago. Pero I'm not sure kung meron. Ayan, unti na lang. Ito nakita namin guys.
Okay, ito. Saka ito. Ang laki ng store dito. Look. We bought a lot. Look at the goods. So happy.
Oh my gosh. Go. Go. Hi everyone! Good morning! Sorry hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog kapag umuwi na. Sobrang pagod na rin kasi kami and sobrang init dito guys and grabe yung humid. So anyway, today is August 5. Yeah, today is August 5 and it's currently 11:05 a.m. and this is our day 4 and our agenda is I think we're just going to the Maisan Sanctuary this morning to afternoon, and after that I'm not sure if babalik kami dito ulit sa hotel or magpapa-drop off na kami dun sa parang store or like parang isang street siya na puro bilihan ng clothing. By the way, this is my view right now and if you can see there, yan na yung beach. So baka tomorrow pa kami pumunta dyan. Hi everyone, good morning. It's currently 10:45 a.m. and today is August 6th, and this is our last full day here in Danang. So city viewing lang kami ganun, and a little bit of mall shopping. Our agenda is to go to Lotte or Lot Mart. Then we will go to yung street na magkakatabi yung mga shops, and then hopefully makapunta kami sa Mikey Beach and makapag-beach kami kasi supposedly tomorrow lang kami pupunta doon just to view the sunrise. Yesterday, I don't know, napagod kami sa first attraction na pinuntahan namin, which is yung Maison Sanctuary. And sobrang init. Parating kami doon 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. And then, supposedly, 3 to 5 hours yung tour dapat na yun. Kasi ang laki niya. Pero, parang dalawa lang yung napuntahan namin doon. Kasi sobrang init talaga. Hindi namin kinaya yung init. Then, after that, we went to Bikini Bottom. Tinry namin yung sandwich. And sobrang sarap. Like, yun yung third na pinaka masarap na burger na natikman ko in my whole life. And yeah, sarap. I really recommend that. And then, kami, dinner sa Pizza 4-Piece. It's a must-try restaurant here in Vietnam. I think dito lang siya sa Vietnam, if I'm not mistaken, matatry. So, we tried that one sa Ho Chi Minh and nagustuhan namin. So, naghanap kami dito kung meron. And, yeah, meron nga. So, yeah, I'll update you guys later. Let's try the Kong Cafe. I ordered coconut coffee.